Hello, everyone. Chelsea here from FleetHoster, and today we're going to talk a little bit about how to customize your FleetFlix AI Plus Pro inside GeoTab. The first thing you're going to do is log into GeoTab and travel to the FleetFlix AI tab under Cameras. You'll notice here that this camera is named with the IMEI of the camera, but we want to change that. So we're going to go over here to the Settings option. And then in the description, we're going to edit this to what we want the vehicle to be called. Then we'll click Save, and it will automatically update. Keep in mind that the IMEI does stay the same no matter what, so even if we change the name here, the IMEI will always be listed here for reference when you call your FleetHoster support team for assistance. If you have any questions or concerns about renaming your cameras or your cameras in general, please feel free to reach out to FleetHoster anytime. Thank you and have a great day.